In this video, I want to show you how you can get hidden links from web elements with Power Automate Desktop. This question came from a student over on Udemy, and I just wanted to walk through the example for everyone so that you get a good idea of how this works. So here, I'm going to just run the flow, and then we'll walk through exactly what it does. So it's going to launch this Amazon page here. And what we're basically doing is we're trying to get the link right here. So the actual href value from the A tag from this title here. But unfortunately, the way that Amazon has built their website is that it's kind of hidden. So when we look at this pop-up here, you can see that I got the href value right there. So let's walk through exactly how I did that. Back over in my flow, it's really only a couple steps. So, we launch a new Firefox, we get the href value, and then we display the message. This is the important part here though. I had to do a little bit of custom work with the UI element in order to get what I wanted. So over in my UI elements, you see that I have this web page and then this element. And let me walk through how I did that once again. So you see when we hover this, it says the tag is of type span. Now spans don't have href values. They don't have a link, which means that there's a kind of container around our link. And if we control click, we're going to get our value there. We'll click done. So now we have our new item right here. And if we open up and edit this selector, we want to go to the edit selector view here, and we make this a little bit bigger, then we'll be able to see when we scroll down that our A tag is right here. And then the one that we've clicked on is actually within the span. And so that's the problem. That's why we can't extract our value automatically, is because of this span. So all we do is uncheck this. Now our UI element is in reference to the A tag itself. We update that. And then we put one of these together. So get details of element on web page, browser, the UI element we're going to throw in. I have duplicates now, but it doesn't matter which one. So you select. In the advanced here, we're going to select the attribute name, and we should see href now as an allowed value. And then you can put that out as whatever value you want and then save. So that's it, short video. I just wanted to show you how you can go about using the selector editing in order to get the hidden link value. That's all for this video. I'll see you in the next one.